Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to do an important activity. Our activity is life before and after mobile phones. Now let's see how people used to wake up. Now let's see after developing smartphone. Hey, come! Let's watch reels. Hey, look at this. Abraham, come, let's play Free Fire. I am also going. Wait. Hey, move fast. Sharing is caring. How people share their phone before. But what about now? Spending time before we used to play indoor and outdoor games. But now how they are spending time on playing. Moral values, no pain, no gain. Let's see how they are considering moral values. And now how they are. From this activity, we learn nowadays a lot of students through mobile who are distracted through mobiles. So we are requesting to you, please do not spend more time on mobiles and kindly avoid using mobile phones. Thank you.